Tonight, new numbers and exposure locations on Ohio's measles outbreak. The health department now reporting 56 cases, including 2 kids who were partially vaccinated.
Now, we don't know if they missed a dose or they weren't old enough to get the vaccine. But as 10 TV's Lindsay Mills reports, doctors are now sending a warning for adults.
Measles is a miserable disease.
The confirmed measles cases are affecting unvaccinated teens and young children. Dr. Matthew Exline, director of critical care at OSU Wexner Medical Center, says measles can be serious for adults too.
If you get it after you turn about 20, you're at much higher risk of developing complications. Brain inflammation that usually results in hospitalization. It can result in lifelong brain damage. You can get pneumonia, which then leads to further hospitalization. You can get a lot of disorders to your immune system that can have ramifications for years after you get the disease.
Because measles is highly contagious, doctors are urging people to get the MMR vaccine and pay attention to places of exposure.
There have been a total of 4 places where people were exposed to measles in the Columbus area. That includes the Meijer on Sawmill Road, a church on Cleveland Avenue, the Polaris Mall, and more recently we learned about the Dollar Tree on Westerville Road. Now driving north a little bit to Richland County, we've learned of another location there. That includes the Richland Mall on Monday, November 28th from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Health leaders are urging anyone who was there during those times to watch for symptoms.
And I think the one thing we're not prepared for those of us who have not ever really lived through an era when measles was spread widely, is it is so much more infectious than any other virus we're familiar with.
In Columbus, Lindsay Mills, 10 TV News.
Columbus Public Health says the CDC will remain here for at least the next week, helping with this measles outbreak and the investigation.